The graph of the function f of x is shown in this figure. On which of the following intervals is f inverse defined as f inverse greater than f of x? All right, well, let's do this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points that I care about. Okay, let's write out those 4 points as regular f. I might have to erase f, but that's okay. What do we call that? We call that f. So I have -5, -3. Great. Okay, these are xy values. -5, -3, that gross-looking 3, -3, -1, -1, that's nice. I have 4, 0, that's nice. And then I have, that looks like 6, 4. Now, why did I write this out? Well, I'm going to try to graph its inverse. And really, I want to use these points as a foundation because trying to graph it without the points is just going to be a nightmare for me. Remember, when you have the inverse, you flip-flop the x and the y values. Okay, so now you have -3, -5. Now you have -1, -1, so nothing there changed. Now you have 0, 4, and now you have 4, 6. Okay. So let's graph this out to the best of our ability. -3, -5 is going to live right there. -1, -1 didn't change. 0, 4 lives right there. And 4, 6 lives right there. So, you know, this is not going to look pretty. Nothing I do here ever does. But what you're looking for is you're looking for a reflection along this y equals x axis, which I kind of see it. I see it. Now, what am I supposed to do here? I want to find where the inverse is greater than the regular f of x. Well, the inverse is green. And it looks like the moment we hit that -1, my green line is above this black line here, which means at this moment, f of x's value, f inverse of x's value, the green line is higher than the f function. So after -1 and all the way to regular 4, because it stops at 4, after -1 to 4 appears to be where my f inverse is bigger than my f. So between -1 and including -1, I guess, maybe not including -1. So I'll keep that as a parentheses. In between -1 and regular 4 is going to be C. Not to be confused with It's Going to Be Me, a song by NSYNC, made famous by Justin Timberlake. Hope this helps.